Hello everyone friends, my name is Weaver. Today I'm going to show you how to cast your screen from your phone to your PC accordingly. To begin with, we connect to the same Wi-Fi, of course. Here, and then go to the Microsoft Store on your computer and write screen mirroring. Yes, just screen mirroring. Well, you choose which one you want. For example, I chose Ezcast for myself. Yes, I installed it, I will open it. Here, I'll open it on my phone as well. Right here, Ezcast. Let's open it. Here you open here, connect to one Wi-Fi and press the start button. Press start and accordingly. And here you are, the screen of my phone on the computer. That's all. Weaver was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Have a good life to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye everyone.